Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another episode of Gizmo Guru. Today, we're going to be taking a look at these two very inexpensive impact wrenches, and I'm going to tell you all about them, give you a full review, and my personal opinion and the price. So go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll get started. So, first up, we're going to talk about this RIDGID right here. Now, this is a special one that I've only seen for sale at Home Depot. This guy goes for about 149 bucks, and a few really cool facts about it as far as the specs go. So you have 500 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, 400 foot-pounds of tightening torque, so pretty good. And it isn't brushless. Only downside that I have found to it so far, which we can make another video explaining the difference between brushed, brushless, but that would be a little too much to put in this one, so we'll do that later. But anyway, as far as the price goes, so 149 bucks, pretty good value there. And this does include the battery. So you do get the 4 amp hour battery, which is an 18 volt, pretty good. There's your little button there just showing the battery life, and you do get a light built into it, so if you are changing a tire at night, very nice to have. You do also have your speed control, so you can go pretty neat there. So you do have that as a feature. Overall, I've had this guy for about a year now, and I've used it on quite a few projects. I've used it to change brakes, to take the tire off. So it's done its job, and it's never failed me. It's done exactly what it was supposed to, and I chose this over I was looking at Milwaukee's specifically, and I looked at everything from their cheapest one, and it was between $300 to $400 for one that I was looking at. So that's kind of why we went with this direction right here. I don't use it enough to where I can justify that, and this gets the job done. So if you're kind of a weekend warrior, do your own vehicle maintenance, things like that, this would be a really good choice if you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on it, and with at the same time getting a reputable brand. Because yes, you can go on Amazon, Walmart.com, specifically those two places, and you can find impacts for 40, 50 bucks that come with the battery. But keep in mind, it's a battery that you have no idea if it's going to explode or have thermal runaway. So that's why I recommend going with the reputable brand like RIDGID with the battery, is at least you know what you're getting. So there's that guy. Very good choice there. Now, next up is this guy right here. This is the Relia Roads. Now, I only paid 40 bucks for this impact. And same thing, it's a 1/2 inch impact. And one thing I will mention with this guy, so this is a Milwaukee battery. So this is specifically designed to work with Milwaukee batteries. So 40 bucks only gets you the tool. I do want to make sure that I'm very clear on that. So you only get the tool. The battery is not included. So this is a much better choice if you already have existing batteries. And the reason I chose this one is I wanted to see, is it possible to get an impact that's under 50 bucks, and is it even possible for it to work? Well, I have good news for you. So about a week ago with this guy, I put 4 new tires on rims and tires on my car, and this guy handled like a champ. Made doing the job. It took me maybe like 15 minutes to do it. If I would have done that by hand, that would have been brutal. But this guy did it and didn't put up a fight at all. It did a good job. Now, this one has quite a bit more torque than the RIDGID. This has 900 foot-pounds of loosening torque. It doesn't go into specifics on the tightening torque, but it has to be really close because it absolutely did not struggle putting my tires on. So pretty good there. Also, this guy is brushless. So that is another huge plus with this guy. And price difference, $150 versus 40 bucks, that's a steal. So very happy there. And also you do have speed control on this guy. So that's what this little button down here is. So it does have to be pressed in for that button to work, but you do have the ability to control the speed on there, so pretty cool. You also do get a light, so very nice. And as you can see here, it is brushless, so it actually does say on the unit that it is brushless, and that is very nice. So yeah, these are both of these impacts right here, and I would highly recommend if you're in the market for an impact and you just don't want to spend a lot of money like I did, I would highly recommend either one of these. Maybe this more if you just want an all-in-one package where you don't have to worry about buying a battery. This 4 amp hour battery is really good. I've been impressed with it so far. I've yet to run out of battery with it, so great news there. And this is a great solution if you already have Milwaukee tools but you don't want to buy their expensive impact. Give this guy a try. But let me know in the comments, what do you guys like? What do you maybe want to see more of on this stuff? And yeah, just give me your thoughts, and I hope this helps.